Are you a tech enthusiast who's always on the lookout for the latest and greatest gadgets? Look no further. We've scoured the market and compiled a list of 12 mind-blowing tech gadgets you can buy in this video. This list has something for everyone, from innovative home appliances to cutting-edge personal devices. Before heading on to the video, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you may never miss any of our updates. Let's get started. Number 1. Kasa Smart Pad Power Strip. The Kasa Smart Pad Power Strip is a versatile and convenient tool for managing your devices. It features 4 smart sockets and 4 USB charging ports, all spaced apart to accommodate different plugs. With this power strip, you'll never worry about running out of outlets for your low battery gadgets. In addition, you can use 3 different scheduling options with this surge protector. One of the standout features of the Kasa Smart Pad is the ability to name the individual outlets using the Kasa Smart Home app. This makes it easy to control each outlet by name, either through the app or with voice control using Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant. The power strip also has a flat angled plug that allows it to be mounted on a wall or placed on a floor or desk. You can buy the Kasa Smart Pad power strip for $22.99. Number 2. Denon HEOS 5 Multi-Room Media System. The Denon HEOS 5 Multi-Room Media System is a versatile device that allows you to play music from various sources, including the cloud, your smartphone, Bluetooth, USB, and NAS. It has 4 full-range custom drivers, including 2 precision tweeters and 2 mid-woofers, which provide excellent bass and sound quality. This medium-sized speaker is powerful enough to fill large spaces, so you won't miss out on the lyrics even when you're across the room. Plus, it's compatible with various voice assistants, such as Alexa, AirPlay, Siri, Google Assistant, and Josh AI, allowing you to control it through voice commands. You can get the Denon HEOS 5 Multi-Room Media System for $619. Number 3. DelGuard Full HD Wi-Fi Camera. The DelGuard Full HD Wi-Fi camera is excellent for monitoring your living space. With its high-quality 1080p video, you can see every detail. It also has night vision that reaches up to 16 feet, so that you can feel secure even after dark. In addition, the 2-way audio feature lets you communicate with people in your home in real time, no matter where you are. The camera is also equipped with sound and motion detection, which sends a notification to your phone if anything unusual occurs. You can access the camera's live video stream from your mobile devices while you're away. The camera is also compatible with Google Assistant and Alexa, so you can control it using voice commands. If you need to take a closer look at something, the pinch to zoom feature allows you to do so easily. You can get the DelGuard Full HD Wi-Fi camera for $117.85. Number 4. FEIYOLD Old Blue Light Blocking Glasses. Prolonged exposure to blue light can cause eye fatigue, blurred vision, and headaches. To help alleviate these issues, consider using our computer glasses. These glasses block the most harmful blue light from your computer, phone, and TV, protecting your eyes from the negative effects of prolonged exposure. The glasses have transparent lenses that block 99% of the harmful blue light spectrum, 400 and 440 nm, while allowing high transmittance, 93%, providing a balance between eye protection and visual experience. The lightweight and durable TR90 frames are comfortable to wear for long periods and won't put any extra stress on your nose. Prolonged exposure to blue light can also disrupt melanin production, leading to sleep disorders. To help you safely navigate your way through the dark, try using a Vansky motion-activated bed light. This bed light provides a soft glow that guides you across the room without disturbing others. The bed light is energy efficient, only turning on when it detects movement and automatically shutting off after you leave it. It has a built-in human body passive infrared motion sensor and can be set up to turn on and off automatically in a dark environment. The inductive range is up to 6 meters, 11.8 feet, and the motion sensor has a 100-degree range. The auto shut-off timer can be set from 30 seconds to 6 minutes, and the light will automatically turn off within 30 seconds to 10 minutes after you leave. This bed light can be installed wherever you need extra light. You can get the FEIYOLD old blue light blocking glasses for $16.99. Number 5. Tekin Outdoor Smart Plug. The Tekin Outdoor Smart Plug is convenient for bringing your smart home technology outside. Connecting to your Wi-Fi network lets you control any appliance you plug into using the Smart Life app or voice assistants, such as Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. It has 2 AC outlets, and its waterproof button cab design protects the modules from dirt and debris when not used. You can control both appliances independently or together through the app or with your own voice. In addition to giving you convenient control over your appliances, the outdoor smart plug lets you set automatic daily timers. This means you can program your devices to turn on and off at specific times, giving you even more control over your smart home. The plug is also rated IP44, which means it can be used outdoors. Number 6. DelGuard Smart Smoke and Carbon Dioxide Alarm. DelGuard Smart Smoke and Carbon Dioxide Alarm are an excellent way to keep your home safe. They are available in both battery-powered and wired versions, and alert you and anyone else at home in an emergency. These alarms are compatible with Alexa and HomeKit, and they come with voice alerts that let you know if the alarm's been triggered, and whether it was due to carbon monoxide or smoke. You can also use the Home app to receive alerts about carbon monoxide and smoke detection. In addition to providing emergency alerts, DelGuard smart alarms also allow you to set up smart automation, such as unlocking smart doors or turning on smart lights if the alarm is triggered. This can help you safely evacuate your home in case of an emergency. Additionally, these alarms can wirelessly connect to other compatible DelGuard alarms in your home through Bluetooth mesh technology, causing all connected alarms to sound off for added protection. You can buy the DelGuard Smart Smoke and Carbon Monoxide alarms for $98.89. Number 7. Meross Garage Door Controller. The Meross Garage Door Controller allows you to control your door from any location. This fully autonomous opener offers a convenient and secure way to access your garage. It features a hands-free system that automatically detects when you're pulling into or leaving your driveway. Using the included HD touchscreen controller or the app, you can also easily open, close, and lock the garage door. In addition, you can use voice commands to control the garage door by connecting it to Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, as well as your Apple Watch. You can even use your smartphone or smartwatch to remotely open and close the garage door for friends and family. The Meross Garage Door Controller is compatible with most garage door openers and is easy to install. You can buy the Meross Garage Door Controller for $21.89. Number 8. Jabra Elite Active 75T Wireless Earbuds. The Jabra Elite Active 75T earbuds are designed to withstand sweat during workouts and have a long battery life of 28 hours. The included carrying case is compact and easy to carry in your pocket or bag when you're on the go. These earbuds feature 4 built-in microphones for clear sound, personalized music settings with powerful bass, and intuitive volume controls, as well as a strong wireless connection. They also come with a customizable equalizer and the latest Jabra Sound Plus firmware, version 1310. You can buy the Jabra Elite Active 75T earbuds for $66.93. Number 9. Roku Express 4K Plus UHD Streaming Device. The Roku Express 4K Plus UHD streaming device is an excellent way to enhance your TV experience. In addition to the 4K capabilities of the standard version, this device includes the Roku Voice Remote Pro, which allows you to control your TV and adjust the volume using voice commands. The remote is compatible with Apple AirPlay, HomeKit, Hey Google, and Amazon Alexa, so you can easily stream videos, photos, and other content. It's also rechargeable and has a lost remote finder feature to help you locate it if it gets misplaced. The 4K Plus version also supports HDR10 Plus content, which can be found on Amazon Prime Video. You can buy the Roku Express 4K Plus UHD streaming device for $28.99. Number 10. Tado Smart Radiator Thermostat V3 Plus Home Heating System. The Tado Smart Radiator Thermostat V3 Plus Home Heating System allows you to connect to your phone and control your home's heating or cooling through an app. This allows you to set schedules and receive recommendations for improving your home's climate. You can even adjust the temperature in individual rooms while you're away. The Tado Home Heating System enables you to customize your temperature settings based on your daily routine. You can buy the Tado Smart Radiator Thermostat V3 Plus Home Heating System for $249.39. Number 11. Zebra DelGuard Mechanical Pencil. The Zebra DelGuard Mechanical Pencil is designed to provide balance and consistent lines. Its double spring mechanism ensures that the lead is secure and protected from breaking when you advance it. This innovative technology prevents lead breakage regardless of writing style or angle, providing a smooth writing experience. The pencil has a sleek, lightweight barrel with a textured grip for comfort and precision, and a pocket clip for attaching to books, planners, clipboards, or drawing paper pads. The barrel houses a double spring mechanism that prevents lead breakage no matter how the pencil is held or how much pressure is applied. You can buy the Zebra DelGuard Mechanical Pencil for $13.89. Number 12. Tesla Coil Lighters. With the Tesla Coil Lighter, you can take control and ditch the flame, butane, and hassle. This electric lighter operates with just one button press, creating an electric arc to light your cigarettes or candles. It's easy to charge via USB and ready to use whenever you need it, wherever you are. Its windproof design and lack of flame make it both environmentally friendly and cost-effective. Gone are the days of constantly refilling lighter fluid or tossing out cheap plastic lighters. The Tesla Coil Lighter also has a safety feature that prevents it from lighting when the lid is closed. At Tesla Coil Lighters, we believe in creating innovative products for the modern world, and our sleek, reliable lighter is no exception. It's the perfect gift for yourself or someone else. You can buy the Tesla Coil Lighter for $16.95. If you liked one of the gadgets, check out the descriptions for the links to the products. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and press the notification bell so you may not miss any future updates. See you in another video. Until then, take care.